Up first this evening, Prime Minister Horace has been hinting at changes to his two-year-old cabinet in the past few weeks. And today he made the announcement, some of which are already raising eyebrows.
The changes include a demotion for the firebrand, the JLP Deputy Leader Audley from the Finance Ministry, with recently elected Member of Parliament for St Andrew North Western, Dr. Nigel Clarke, taking his place. Other changes were made in critical ministries such as security and transport. All
this came out in the last 2 hours from the office of the Prime Minister. Reporter Andrea Chisholm has been going over the changes and joins us live with details. Andrea?
Thank you very much, Archibald and Doreen. We are still digesting the changes to the cabinet. You recall last week that the Prime Minister told me in an interview that the reshuffle was imminent. But first, let's recall this image when the budget debate opened a few weeks ago.
There will be no revenue measures for fiscal year 2018-19. No new taxes. No new taxes.
Well, that was Audley presenting the budget in his usual manor yard style. But it turns out the budget he presented, he will not get a chance to oversee it. Dr. Nigel Clarke is the country's new finance minister. There has been a lot of speculation about that appointment, and today it's unfolding. Dr. Clarke will be assisted by Fayval Williams, who actually got a promotion. She is now a full cabinet minister, as she was named a minister without portfolio in the Finance Ministry. So, where is Audley? He has been demoted, some may argue, and is now at the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, replacing Karl Samuda. As for Mr. Samuda, he is now at the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Mike Henry will miss talking about his integrated multimodal transport system, as he has now been assigned as Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister. So, who is the new Minister of Transport? Well, it's Robert Montague. He'll no longer be talking about his 5-pillar crime strategy. Mr. Montague is now the Minister of Transport and Mining. The man that the public will be pressuring now when it comes to crime is Dr. Horace Chang. Dr. Horace Chang will be the country's new Minister of National Security. And apart from the cabinet level changes, 3 persons have taken up positions as junior minister. The first one is Mayne, and he is, well, let's go with Alando Terrelonge, and he is now a junior minister, state minister in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. The second person is Mayne, and he is now a state minister in the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. Pearnel Charles Jr. has been reassigned from the Ministry of National Security. He is now a state minister in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. And the final appointment as junior minister is that of Rudyard Spencer. He has been shifted from the Finance Ministry, and Rudyard Spencer is now the state minister in the Ministry of National Security. Archibald and Doreen, it's back to you.
Thank you, Andrea.